Before I start the video, I'm going to show you guys my GoPro box. So here we go. Let me just open it. There. So this is what I got in my GoPro box so far. I'm planning on getting another GoPro, the GoPro 9, the newest one. So here I have the GoPro Session, the GoPro 7, the main one that I use. This one's my dad's. This is the case, and then here's the charger, the new thing I got for the car. My other charger for this one. And here's a longer one, and just in case if I need it. Here's the twisty things I call. I don't even know. Here's my mic right here, and here's all my other mount stuff right here. And then we got my portable charger thing. I don't know, that'll be helpful. And then what else do we have? Oh, here's another one. I don't really use this mount as much because I don't think it's good enough, because it sticks up high on your helmet. So I just use one of these little ones. But this one gets probably a good like view and stuff, but it's whatever. So let's put everything back. And also I was trying to fit my tripod into here. I took this piece off, but it didn't fit, and that kind of sucks. I was hoping to fit that in there, but it's okay. So that's the GoPro box. But like I said, I'm planning on getting another GoPro, or another. I want the 360 cam GoPro. That one looks awesome. That's it for the microphone furry thing. Yeah, I got one of those. I have to put everything back together on my helmet, but it's over there, but I'm not gonna go get it. So yeah, that's it for the GoPro box. So I might as well show you the GoPro mount thing that I have right now. So this is what I have so far. I flipped this part down, so this is on this side, and then I can put the GoPro down here, so it won't be like up here. So we'll see how it is. I'm gonna put it on for you guys right now. So this is what I mean. Hangs down like that. I like that view now. Because I could go in the editing and flip it back over like if it was on the top. So that's pretty good. Here it is when it's on. Here it is when it's on, the GoPro, how it fits. But I'll somehow put my mic on here. I don't know, because it's on this side. So I don't have my mic on, so I took it off. So I'm just testing out now. I changed it to a different way. So let's see. To go like crazy fast because it's still kind of early. I think people will get mad, but I'm going up to Jacksonville tomorrow, so it should be okay. I'll make a wheelie video up there, or some kind of, I'll make a good video though. Here to test the GoPro out. So hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe subscribe if you haven't, like, and thanks